Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. There are countless ways to cook a great steak, but today, the steak isn't the real star of the show. Instead, I'll show you how grilled mushrooms and onions can transform a great steak into an unforgettable meal. Served with sauerkraut, Korean-style carrots, and a homemade pickled tomato, they create one of the most satisfying steak dinners you can make at home. So, let's fire up the grill and get started. I usually cut the mushrooms into quarters and slice the onion into thin rings. Then I add a pinch of salt or simply season to taste, followed by a couple of tablespoons of soy sauce and a little vegetable oil. Next, I gently toss everything together, making sure the onion rings separate and become evenly coated along with the mushrooms. Once everything is well mixed, it's time to head to the grill. Spread the mushrooms and onions over the grill basket and cook them until they're lightly caramelized, tender, and infused with that wonderful smoky flavor. Now that the mushrooms are ready, let's move on to the steaks. Use whatever seasoning you enjoy most. Sometimes all you really need is salt and freshly ground black pepper. Today I'm keeping it simple. I'll season my New York strip steaks with salt and the keg steak spice, one of my favorite steak seasonings. Now it's time to get these steaks on the grill. I preheat the grill to about 500 degrees Fahrenheit. The idea is to start the steaks over high heat so we can build a nice crust and get those beautiful grill marks. I cook the steaks for about 1.5 to 2 minutes on the first side. Then I rotate them to create a diamond pattern. After that, I flip the steaks and continue cooking until they reach my favorite doneness, medium rare. Once the steaks are done, I turn off the grill and let them rest for a minute or two. This gives the juices a chance to settle, and then the steaks are ready to serve. The side dishes are completely up to you. Feel free to pair them with any of your favorite sides. The steak and mushrooms are the real stars of this meal. The steaks are juicy, the mushrooms are full of smoky flavor, and together they make an incredible combination. And if you'd like, this is the perfect time to pour yourself a small glass of your favorite drink and simply enjoy the moment. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more homemade meat recipes and cooking videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.